Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. Your organization is facing an issue with the upcoming removal of VBA macros in Excel 2016. They're looking for alternatives to user-defined formulas like FYFinder, which determine the fiscal year based on a given date. The challenge is to replicate this functionality without VBA macros. Now, let's talk about the solution. The good news is that Excel 365 introduced the LAMBDA function, which can help address this issue. By setting up a defined name called FYFinder with the formula equals LAMBDA, serial underscore number, month, serial underscore number, equals 10 plus year, serial underscore number. You can replicate the functionality of the user-defined formula without using VBA macros. Building on that, another method involves using a relative reference in Excel. By creating a defined name called FYRelative and setting the formula to equals year, she1, A1 plus month, she1, A1 10, you can achieve a similar outcome. This approach allows you to obtain the fiscal year value for the cell immediately to the left, providing a workaround for the restriction on VBA macros. Continuing with the solution, you can utilize the formula equals in quote. The year is in quote. In the app, FYRelative as a constant to display the fiscal year information alongside a customized message. While this method may not offer the flexibility of the original user-defined function, it serves as a temporary solution for migrating away from VBA macros. In summary, Excel 365's LAMBDA function and relative references offer viable alternatives to user-defined formulas like FYFinder. By leveraging these features, your organization can adapt to the upcoming changes and maintain the functionality required for fiscal year calculations. And with that, I hope this information helps you navigate the transition smoothly. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more helpful content. Until next time, happy Excel ing!